So welcome back to the Drama Experience. Your boy Dim.
And I'm Tay.
And we're back with another video. My baby's in her Siraj robe. Today is Mother's Day.
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Like I always say, moms are really like superhumans, bro. This one's definitely a superhuman. She is a mother that wears all hats. She's an entrepreneur, she's a wife, everything that you could place under the life, that's what she is. Also, watching this journey with her and Raya is so amazing because it's like Raya gets all the perks of having the best mom in the world, you know what I mean? She makes sure she gets the dance routine, the dance into it, you know what I mean? What else? We got her in swimming, her outfit, her hair, anything you could think about, mom got it. I am grateful and happy to call you my wife and for Raya to call you her mom, right?
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms watching, all the people who serve as mother figures, and to other people, bonus moms, right? Just wishing you all a Mother's Day because women, we run the world.
With that being said, today is that day for you. And I had a thought. I was just thinking like, yo, I want to do this, I want to do that. I never like asked her like, yo, what do you want to do? You know what I mean? So I was like, yo, today I'm just gonna set up a day for her where she'll have a driver and she get to do what she wants to do.
He told me that this morning when I woke up at 7 and I was like, my hair's not done. This driver is waiting for me. So I'm gonna get up and go out and spend his money. Very well, trust me. Wait, when he first told me, I was like, oh, I could just do my eyebrows and come back. And he was like, no, babe, like, go buy stuff. Don't you want to go to like Lululemon? Go get stuff. I'm like, all right. So I'm about to go get stuff.
All I want you to do is just be ready at 4 o'clock because we are staying at a hotel downtown today. I love these staycations. I just love trying new hotels and staying away from home. It's like a small, real quick vacay. And also, Raya is gonna be joining this journey. We always try to see who can watch Raya and drop her off with the grandparents, aunties. She's always with them when we are doing something. She's gonna be with me for the most part while she does her run around and do what she needs to do. And she's gonna be with me until you come back and for the rest of the day.
Anytime you take Raya outside the house, you better be ready for whatever comes with it.
Be ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I woke up, the first thing I thought about was her. He was like, oh, get ready. I was like, no, I have to fold Raya's laundry. He was like, babe, you're not doing that today. And I was like,
you're not doing that tonight. It's all about you. Whatever you want to do.
I'm gonna go shopping. I'll try to show y'all what I get.
So, as you can see, I'm in the car now. Tay has finally left. She's on her journey on whatever she want to do right now. And me and Raya got some errands that we gotta run. I still gotta go grab her gift. So I'm also gonna have some flowers arrive at the hotel. Flowers. What happened, Raya? Look.
My teeth. The car broke my teeth.
She's just so dramatic. The car broke her teeth, bro. I got some last minute stuff to do. I gotta grab an outfit. Like my last minute stuff. Like I didn't get like a t-shirt for my outfit that I have for, because we also having a photo shoot too. And this is another reason why it's important to show love to your mothers. Cause look, Raya's hair. I don't know if y'all see it. Right, look at your hair. Do you like it? Okay, she like it because she has to say that, you know what I mean? Mom will always get the hair right. I had to try. Don't judge me. I tried, but it's a very, very messy bun.
I got my Cinderella dress.
You got your Cinderella dress? Can you show them your hair? That daddy did your hair?
That's daddy, not my hair.
Daddy?
That's mommy.
Now she don't want to give me credit. She's crazy. Also, Raya got a gift for her mom too. It's a beautiful gift that one of my friends who started a flower business made for me. And it's beautiful, and I'm gonna give it to her, Tay, from Raya. You ready to give mommy her gift?
Yeah.
And we were just getting gas. Now we on our way to go get the gifts and get my outfit and come back and get ready to go downtown. So we finally got Tay's gift. I didn't want to record in there because I wanted to go in and out, and I also had to get some stuff for myself, and I wanted to be focused and get the stuff and get out of there. But they already had her big gift already, and I just came and picked it up. I got some stuff for me too, and I completed my outfit finally. Now I've been talking to Tay throughout the day, and it's like she's having a struggle right now because I never gave her a specific budget, and she still don't know what to do. She keep asking me like, yo, she's like, I want this. I'm like, okay, get it. Even though there's a budget in mind that I have, but no, I don't want to display it. If she want to go over that budget a little bit, then it's fine. If she go under it, it could be fine too. Let's check on mommy, all right? So I'm gonna call her right now. Let's check on her YouTube. Oh, she just texted me right now. I'll come back. Oh my gosh, she's the worst, bro. I'm about to call her.
Hello, baby.
Hello. So the YouTube family is trying to check in with you. What is going on?
I got 3 things.
I bought 2 pair of shades and I went to Lululemon.
Is it difficult because you don't know no budget right now?
Yes, it's very hard because, I'm a very calculated person. And also, I'm not going to like try to do anything that I feel like, what are you doing? Like, I'm very mindful of your money. I don't want to like go too crazy. So I was just getting things, like small things.
Wow. Okay. We wanted to check in with you and see what's going on. So I'll check in with you later. After I get a haircut, I'm going straight to the house. You might get to the house before me. Who knows? All right. So I'll talk to you later. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Bye. So like I said, she's been having a hard time. This just shows you the type of person she is. She's very considerate. Even if I push her not to be considerate, she will be considerate. You got to love it, right? Right? You got to love mommy, right?
Can I go to the doctor? My teeth is broken.
She's crazy, yeah. So we've been running around all day. Finally got my hair cut, and now we are downtown at the hotel. Tay did what she had to do earlier today. She had to go home, grab some stuff, grab Raya's stuff because Raya's with us. We are staying at the New York edition, and the room that we got is the suite. I never stayed in the suite like this. Like, the layout is very different, and Raya over here just jumping up and down. I'm gonna show y'all what they got going on right now since they here. Got these big flowers that says mom in the middle of it. This is fire. So they gonna do for like some touches, right? Some final touches. So Tay's finally here. She finally made it to the hotel. She had a long day. How's your day been so far?
It's been good. This is so nice.
Yeah.
No, this place is so nice.
Yeah, the room is beautiful. The flowers is beautiful. We still got more gifts coming. Raya got a gift coming for you soon. Yes. Raya, are you ready?
What is this about? Yo, baby. Look, this is her personality. If my daughter don't have a stain, it's not her.
Since you've been shopping already, you've been buying yourself some stuff, right? You still got one more gift.
What is it? What's this?
One more gift.
Oh.
So you want to do the unboxing now?
You want me to open it now?
Because
open it?
Oh, I mean, you don't have to open it now if you want to. It's up to you. So let's just get ready. Yeah, this is beautiful. Second part of flowers coming. This is from Raya and Daddy from our brother. I do flowers, man. That is fire. This is fire. When I saw this, I said, you happy to give mommy the gift?
It's a gift to mommy.
Give it to mommy. Give mommy the gift.
Thank you, Ma. You so sweet. Give me kissy.
Can I open it?
No. Don't open it. Don't open it, please.
Yes,
this is
crazy.
mine. Give me kissy. Ah, you're so sweet.
It's an actual gift. I don't know. It's a gift. It's real leaf in here.
Thank
Okay,
you.
it's fire.
It's a replica, so we have it.
This is so nice.
It's
Thank you
fire.
so much.
So look, it says Tay in the middle. I do flowers, man. Shout out to you, bro. She couldn't wait. She gonna open her gift before we head out. Right? Can mommy open the gift?
I want to open the gift by
Okay.
myself.
Come on. Me and you.
I would take the tape. Yeah.
What is this?
Let's take it. It's a chair.
Raya.
She might be so aggressive.
Oh my God.
So this gift was in mind of a nude bag because you wanted a nude bag. It's a Cooper, whatever that thing is called.
Beautiful.
But I thought that bag was so beautiful because of the nude and the gold hardware on it.
Oh, thank you, baby.
No problem. Happy Mother's Day once again. So let's get ready to go eat. Raya. Okay, Raya. I hope you enjoyed everything that was done today. I hope you loved it. And we're gonna go stuff our stomachs. We're finally here at RH Guest House Restaurant we eating at. Oh, it's beautiful in here. She's acting a little cuckoo. I feel like everything went with our color today, right? The whole brown theme, right? So we about to order some food and end the night.
So good morning. I don't really feel too good this morning, but I'm up. I'm going to the spa because Jim booked me a massage. I thought that it was at our hotel, but it's not. He booked it at the Amman, which is like super nice. So I'm so excited. This Uber driver about to kill me. But yeah, I'm on my way and I will show y'all how it is when I get there. I'm sure it's beautiful. Stay tuned. Y'all, that massage was one. It was so good. Like, it was 90 minutes. I had a headache. That lady did something to my neck. Now my head feels better. I was knocked out. At one point, I was snoring. I could hear it. That lady could have massaged me and probably kidnapped me. I wouldn't know. I was knocked out. But it was really, really good. I didn't get a chance to record like the whole spa because it's not traditional in a sense like you get in and everything is there. I took, no lie, 3 elevators. One elevator up, then down the hall to another elevator. Then I got to the women's like locker room. And then when my therapist came, we went on another elevator. So it's very twisty, turny, whiny in here. They have like a steam room and a sauna inside the women's locker room. And then where I'm at right now, which I just showed, is the pool area. So I'm just lounging in the pool area. I have my little notebook here and my laptop, and I plan to do some work. And then after that, I'm gonna check in with Jim, see where he is, and then probably meet back up with him. And I don't know if I want to get in the water because I can't even swim. But if it's warm, I might take a little. But this was really nice. Like, I love the spa. I love massages. So I'm happy he did this for me. It was like super relaxing. And I'm telling you, that massage was like, man, please. It was so good. Homegirl knocked me out. So I guess I'm a chill. I got a lot coming up, so I'm trying to like plan my content out for my brands. I just got a lot to do, y'all. But so far, so good. Highly recommend the Amman 4.
So, back in the hotel room, my baby had come back from her massage that she had today in the morning. How you felt?
It was really good.
How has been the Mother's Day experience?
Well, Mother's Day was amazing. I felt like it was my birthday. I don't be expecting a lot of stuff. When he does this, I just be like, oh my God. I'm not gonna ask him for nothing. He can't even buy me a french fry because I didn't use this man's credit card, y'all. I went shopping. But it was really nice. Like, Dem has become the most romantic man ever. Flowers. He wasn't like this all the time. Who cares?
I mean, I feel like I've been like this more time than I wasn't. She talking about the beginning stages of our relationship. Good, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog because I enjoy putting all this special things together for her. She's a super mom. Happy Mother's Day again to every mom out there. Just know everything y'all do, it doesn't go not noticed. You know what I mean? We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Keep being a bomb mother. Yeah. And the other note, we are gonna stay and experience this hotel since we got here because we're doing a late checkout at 4 p.m. And I feel like for the most part when we do come to this hotel, we don't experience it. We don't stay in the room that much. Now we're gonna stay in the room. We got some room service. I kind of want to give you like a last minute room tour before we end this vlog. This is a messy room tour, I'm gonna say. I like this setup, how the living room is set up. Then they got like a bathroom right here. Little bathroom and a refrigerator. You want to be the guy?
No, I'm not as good as this guy.
So
this
we
is our
not
closet.
Don't judge us. This is how it really looks.
And then this is our room. Voila.
This is the room.
Raya was here because she stayed with us.
Yeah, so this is.
We don't be like Raya in the bed with us.
And this is how the windows look. They got the view outside.
Love the bathroom, of course. Look at the tub.
Tub is huge. All that stuff is still there. Siraj robe hanging.
Yep. And the toilet.
Like I said, we were staying in the New York Edition downtown at the suite, and this room was dope. You know what I mean? So it was Mother's Day plus a staycation, and I think it was successful. I had a great time. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. In whatever order you please.